love.
Hey beauties, it's Kayla. Welcome or welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we're continuing with my lightweight oil series, and if you've been following along, you already know my hair has been loving lighter oils. I kicked it off with using jojoba oil first, and my hair reacted to it so well. Like love at first use, immediate softness, shine, and no heaviness at all. So today we're moving on to almond oil, and let me tell you, I am very happy with how my hair is responding. So okay, for a little context, I've been rocking this silk press for about a month and a week now, which is not really wild for me because I've been known to rock my silk presses for about a month and a half, 2 months. So yeah, I like to get my money's worth. But I haven't washed my hair yet, and I will be washing it soon, probably this weekend sometime. But I am just loving the results from using the lightweight oils, and my hair is reacting so well to it. During this time, I've been very intentional about what I put in my hair, especially since my hair is low porosity and does not like heavy oils. So all week long, I've been applying almond oil every single day, very lightly, and I've been paying attention to how my hair feels, how it moves, and how it looks. I believe I'm able to get away with applying the oil every single day during the winter months. I'm pretty sure during the summertime, this will be a no-go. During the winter months, the weather is a lot more cooler, a lot more drier, so I'm able to apply daily without causing any issues with my hair because my hair seems to really love it. As a matter of fact, it seems to thrive even better by me applying this oil every single day, especially since my hair is absorbing it a lot quicker and easier. Almond oil does not sit on my hair, it doesn't make it greasy, and it doesn't weigh my silk press down, which is surprising. But my hair still has movement, still has bounce, and still looks fresh. What I love most is that my hair feels soft, moisturized, smooth, and not coated. Okay, so let's talk about the benefits of almond oil. Let's talk about why almond oil works so well for hair, especially if you're someone who prefers lightweight oils. So let's get into the benefits of almond oil. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E, which helps with shine and protects the hair from environmental stress. Also rich in fatty acids that help seal and moisturize without heaviness. And also magnesium, which can help reduce breakage. It's also known to help soften dry hair, improve manageability, add shine without buildup, and to be gentle enough for daily use. Because almond oil is lighter, it works really well for low porosity hair, fine strands, heated styles, and silk presses. People who hate that greasy feeling will really love almond oil. How I've been using it is super simple. I'm not drenching my hair. I'm just taking a few drops, rubbing it in between my hands, and lightly smoothing my hair throughout the ends and the lengths of my hair. And now is a perfect time to get a good scalp massage in as well, which only promotes hair growth by stimulating the blood flow. This keeps my old silk press looking good while still feeding my hair what it needs. If you're enjoying this video so far, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. isn't just good for your strands, it's actually really beneficial for the scalp too. Some of the scalp benefits of almond oil include helping soothe a dry or itchy scalp, supporting a healthy scalp environment, helping reduce flakiness, and adding moisture without clogging the scalp. It actually feels lightweight enough that it doesn't feel suffocating, which is very important, especially if you're wearing your hair stretched or in a heated style like I am. But my scalp feels calm, moisturized, and comfortable. No itchiness, no dryness, and no heavy oil smell or residue. So next up in this lightweight oil series, I'll be testing rapeseed oil and argan oil, so stay tuned. I'm curious to see how those compare to jojoba and almond oils, especially in terms of shine, softness, and longevity on my hair. If you've tried almond oil before, please let me know in the comments how your hair responded to it. And tell me, do you prefer lightweight oils or heavier oils? If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Please be sure to watch any of these videos next. Thank you.